was like a review with this Spouse Junior plush. It's official. You're going to see this one, and this one's kind of my first one, but it's still official, but it's from the All Stars collection. It's kind of like teenager, and that's why I stopped using it. And this is why I want this one, and I'm using this one forever. You see do you see the tag? The tag kind of says something. I don't know what it says. Super Mario Santa Collection. Yeah, that's it. It's from the Santa collection. So get this plush and you can't take the big ball, but you see his stomach? You kind of like show his stomach on. This one's bigger and this one's kind of short. This logo of the mouth kind of looks shorter. See, the shell looks awesome, but the shell kind of looks big. The tag it says little buddy because it's made by Santa All-Stars. And this tag says Super Mario Santa Collection. So this is for the All-Stars collection. I like it, but I love this one. I love this. It's awesome. It's amazing. Get this plush. It's at eBay. They didn't scam me, and finally they didn't scam me with this plush or this one. But get this plush. I know you won't get scammed, okay? So Junior Simpson match it. You won't get scammed by this plush. So yeah, you're not gonna get scammed. So yeah, but you see the wristbands? It's kind of like a little bit like the fake ones, but I kind of like it. It sits. It has long legs. The arms are short. The snout looks amazing. I don't have teeth, and I don't want teeth on this. And the eyebrows are wise, and the horns and the hair look, the hair look like the same. This one kind of is worn out, and this one's not worn out. So yeah, I was gonna get the other one from but it came from New York. But instead, I got this one because it's official, made by Santa. Get Santa. Santa's really get this plush. But some of you haven't, just watch this video, and you're gonna see this one for now. But I just don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what. Yeah. It has great sparks, but just look at it. Just get it. So, yeah. This one has more. Yeah, it has more. It has a lot. It has a lot in this one. Only it has 7 in it. And this one has like 10 or something, but yeah, it's really awesome. It's awesome you make it there, like in your posters. You can make it stand and cover it and cover your head up when you're doing that. So yeah. When they do it, so I'll just hold it and you just it holds. So yeah. So see this video. I'll download it on YouTube and the bib, and hopefully you want to see this plush for now, but you don't want to, please. Yeah, this one for that one. So what's in the video? So yeah.